Okay, let's continue. From Explain DO, we're going to go into Video Maker FX. Now this is probably the oldest one. This came out a little over a year ago. This was the original animation software that kind of set the industry on notice that you can make some animations for less than $37. And I still use Video Maker FX to actually create some intros and some outros. I don't think they've done a recent update on Video Maker FX, but it's like PowerPoint on steroids. Now, where it does fall off is it's not a very good timeline editor. And again, I create the video, create it in an MP4, and then I put it into Camtasia and then work with it from there. So I'll just show you real quick Video Maker FX. And it has a very familiar look to Explain DO. So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to create a project, and this one's going to be called Test again. So I'll just call it Test 2, Create Project, and I'm going to add a slide. Now this is where Video Maker FX really comes in handy, is when you buy Video Maker, go ahead and buy the Pro slides that go with it, because there's some really great slideshows that you can create similar to what I'm going to show you with Powtoons. So I'm going to come in and I'm going to create here's my Pro themes right here. And you can buy them by the month too if you want to do something like that. Let's go with a super promo. Actually, I'm just going to do let's see here. Yeah, and they have companies like Video Profit FX. I'm going to do this local business here. I'm going to add all slides. And I think for Video Profit FX, I think for all those slides, it was less than $40. But they've got some really professional slides. Let's go in, and this is how you would edit them. Do you need a plumber? And I'll come up here. Do you need a good plumber? See how it got a little too big, so you would highlight that, and you can come in and make it a little bit smaller. And it fits in there. This is how easy Video Maker FX is. I like it just because it's easy. And I come over here to the next one, and again, you can come in and change your phone number right here, 123, and it's almost the same, 555. And preview now. Okay, and so I'm going to come over here. And let's say water filtration, water leaks. And then we want to come over here and logo. And this is where you can put in an image. I'm going to open the gallery. And just for grins, I'm going to and there we go. So I'm going to come back over to text, and I'm just going to delete that. And so he has a 30-day money-back guarantee. If that image is a little too small, you can scale it down just a little bit. And you can move it around. If you need to pause it, like I'm going to pause right here. Okay. So now it is ready to play. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here and we're going to preview the project. Now it's kind of running slow because it's rendering everything at the same time. So the only thing I'm really missing is I'm missing some music. Let me close the window here and what I would typically do, audio settings. Let's see here. Here we go. Okay, I think our guy would have. Okay, and you can add your voice on top of this. This is a really cool little software. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit apply. And now we're going to save the project. And we're going to create it. Oops, that's to add video in there. That's not what I need to export it. 1280 quality average, start video export. Okay, the export is complete, so I'm going to open the video folder. And in fact, you may have recognized I have an introducing VidPenguin that I made with this. Now you can always add a voiceover and you can lower the audio on this. What I would do personally is I would take this video inside of Camtasia and I would lower the audio track and then put a voiceover on top of it. But I would do my voiceover inside of Camtasia once I have the slides correct. So as you can see, it really doesn't take that long to create an animated video with some of the tools that we have here. But I am going to show you the neat one too. Video Maker FX, as far as just inexpensive animation tools, this is one of my favorites, and it's one of the original ones that came out. And I guess the reason I like it is there's a lot of pre-made slideshows already done, so you don't have to worry about what they look like. And this was just Plumber, so if I wanted to go in and create a brand new project, let's call it test 3. We'll add a slide. And again, we had everything essentials. I'm going to come down here. They even had some anniversary editions, so I'm going to real estate. I'm going to let's meet Emma here. We're going to put, and you can just preview the slides if you want to. And this is neat, is you can kind of see, you don't have to add all the slides in there, but you can create a really quick animated video for a company or for your own. I mean, this is really powerful stuff here. Let's go with zoom in. Actually, let's go up here. But I did buy the Pro Slide upgrades, the Pro Themes upgrades, and we'll do character Brian here. So you can kind of tell your own story here. And so this is almost like a video sales script already written. You just have to come in here and change some of the words on here. And again, all you do is hit add all slides, or you can just add individual slides. If you want to pull down you can just add them individually. So Anyway, I'm going to close this out here. But this is one of my favorites, to just create an intro or an outro or just a quick little commercial, animated commercial for a client that I don't have to spend a lot of time on, like that plumber. I showed another plumber here in Dallas that plumbing video and put his phone number on there, and he just absolutely loved it. And he thought I did a whole bunch of work to get there, and it took less than 5 minutes to do. So out of all these here, I use PowerPoint primarily for what I'm doing as far as internet marketing, but I use Video Maker FX, and I also use a program called Powtoons, and I'm going to show you that later. That's how I made the intro to get started.